What does the introduction of smart contracts on the XRP blockchain mean for XRP token holders? When will the full smart contract rollout take place? Will this be enough to send XRP to the moon? Will XRP reach $3 before the end of the first quarter? Stay tuned as we get to the bottom of this. Smart contracts are simply programs that run when certain conditions are met and are stored on a blockchain. They are typically used to automate the execution of an agreement so that all participants can be certain of the outcome immediately without the involvement of an intermediary or time loss.
In fact, a smart contract is actually a tiny computer program that is stored inside of a blockchain.
They can also automate a workflow by automatically triggering the next action when certain conditions are met. Smart contracts operate by executing simple if, when, then statements written into blockchain code. When predetermined conditions are met and verified, a network of computers executes the actions. These actions can include transferring funds to the proper parties, registering a vehicle, sending notifications, or issuing a ticket. When the transaction is completed, the blockchain is updated. This means that the transaction cannot be changed, and the results are only visible to parties who have been granted permission. Nick Szabo, an American computer scientist who invented a virtual currency called BitGold in 1998, more than 10 years before Bitcoin, proposed smart contracts in 1994. In fact, Szabo is frequently mistaken for Satoshi Nakamoto, the anonymous creator of Bitcoin, a claim he has denied. Smart contracts allow for trusted transactions and agreements to be carried out between wildly different, anonymous parties without the need for a centralized authority, legal system, or external enforcement mechanism. Transactions made on the smart contract are irreversible and trackable. Encoding a smart contract into a blockchain allows the contract to be carried out securely without the involvement of traditional third parties, such as legal institutions. Instead, the contract is overseen by the blockchain's distributed, decentralized network of computers. Encoding the smart contract in a good crypto project can significantly impact the token's price. Later in the video, I'll discuss how this will significantly impact the price of XRP. Currently, XRP ledger escrows can only be used as smart contracts that release XRP after a certain amount of time has passed, or a cryptographic condition has been met. In this case, an escrow will serve as a smart contract that releases XRP once a cryptographic condition is met. But going forward, former Ripple director Matt Hamilton has stated that smart contracts will be available on the XRP ledger soon. Well, most functionality needed, fungible tokens, NFTs, escrows, multisig, DEX are all built in. But yes, smart contracts are in development. Matt Hamilton. The blockchain already supports fungible tokens, non-fungible tokens, escrow, and decentralized exchanges, but smart contracts are still in the works. Ripple's blockchain network, XRP Ledger, is run by the Cross-Border Payments Company. The network currently supports native smart contracts, but not the Ethereum Virtual Machine, EVM, a computing environment used by Ethereum developers to write applications. Once the new system has been thoroughly tested and released on the mainnet, the new sidechain will enable developers to write in Solidity, Ethereum's primary programming language, and make it interoperable with the XRP ledger. Within the sidechain environment, developers will also be able to use XRP's ledger's native XRP asset. To avoid missing out on our informative videos about blockchain technology and smart contracts, subscribe to the channel and tap the bell icon to be notified whenever we post new videos. Pierce's technology has released the first phase of the EVM sidechain for the XRP ledger, which is now live on the XRP Ledger Development Network, DevNet. The DevNet is a restricted experimental network used for XRP ledger testing, and only those with access can interact with the system. The first phase entails the establishment of a bridge between the EVM-compatible chain and the XRP Ledger DevNet. Developers can use the bridge to test the exchange of DevNet XRP between the EVM sidechain and the XRP ledger to evaluate available technologies and deploy their existing Solidity apps on the EVM sidechain to gain access to the XRPL DevNet user base. The rollout phases will be 3, with the first completed and the rest to follow. Later in the video, I go over what will be included in the third phase and the possible rollout date. The second phase of testing, which is expected to begin in early 2023, will include a permissionless EVM sidechain and bridge with a one-of-a-kind design that connects to the XRP DevNet to increase participation and test scalability within a controlled environment. Once Phase 2 is completed, testing will proceed to Phase 3, the final stage, which will include a permissionless EVM sidechain and bridge available on the XRPL mainnet. RippleX stated in a post that the Ethereum virtual machine sidechain will have block and finality times comparable to the XRP mainnet throughout the 3 phases, and will support Ethereum smart contracts and applications such as Metatask, Remix, and Truffle. Throughout all 3 phases, the EVM sidechain will feature block times and finality comparable to the XRP mainnet, and support smart contracts and Ethereum applications such as MetaMask, Remix, and Truffle. RippleX. The XRP Ledger smart contracts will make the blockchain a direct competitor to Ethereum, Cardano, and Solana, among other similar platforms. The utility of XRP could grow exponentially, aided by its high transaction utilization. As XRP's utility grows, so will its demand, paving a way for a rally that could reach $3 or more and reclaim the 3rd position in the crypto market behind Bitcoin and Ethereum by the first quarter of 2023. Technically, the XRP price is marginally above 33 cents, on top of a strong daily demand area. Since November, XRP has maintained its support. XRP has rejected the support area twice in the daily time frame, and bulls are eyeing it to push the price higher. Multiple rejections in a support or resistance area indicate a trend reversal. In the daily time frame, the XRP price rejecting twice in a support area indicates the end of selling pressure. While the technical outlook for the XRP price appears positive, with strong conviction that after the development of the smart contract, the outcome of the legal case between Ripple and the United States Securities and Exchange Commission, SEC, will ultimately influence this outcome as well if everything is completed within the first quarter of 2023. The final submissions in the case between Ripple and the SEC have been filed, and a decision may be forthcoming. If Ripple wins, it will boost the price of XRP and cause it to rise. A lot of good news has been happening in the XRP community in recent times, and it's very positive for both the XRP holders and the token. In the following video, I explain the possibilities of the XRP token reaching $5 in 2023 that you should check out.